I've seen me do it.
But I don't even go to the right places at Norman either.
This is my speech on why mechanical engineering is the best college major. According to a 2025 article from Student Resource Group titled, "What Statistics Tell Us About Changing College Majors," nearly 80% of college students change their major at least once. My credibility for this speech is that I am a mechanical engineering major, and many people my age struggle to pick a major, and I think that mechanical engineering is the best one to pick. One of the counter arguments to this is that it's a difficult major, but you can always just retake a class. And today I will persuade you that majoring in mechanical engineering is one of the best things you can do as a college student. And I will go over the job demand and pay, the career options, and the general benefits of being an engineer. Mechanical engineering offers job security and a high average salary. According to the U.S. Bureau of Labor Statistics, mechanical engineering is projected to grow 9% over the next 10 years, with an average of 18,000 new jobs every year. And they also have a median wage above 100,000. This is also coming from the same source. Another piece of evidence for this point is that all industries benefit from an engineer. This controller thing was an ergonomics engineer. This was produced in a factory, which was overseen by a manufacturing engineer. And now that I've discussed jobs and pay, and we can go over the fields. And a degree in mechanical engineering opens up many career paths. From the 2021 journal from Majeran and Searing titled "From Engineering Students to Careers," these two people interviewed 1,000 mechanical engineering students across multiple different universities, and they found that only 70% of mechanical engineering graduates actually went into an engineering related job. The other 15% went directly into a project management position, and the remaining 15% went into some other field, whether it be graduate school or finance or another corporate type thing. And another reason as to why mechanical engineering is better than any of the other engineering disciplines is that with mechanical, you can go into almost any of the other any of the other engineering disciplines, apart from electrical, which is the most different from those two. But with mechanical, you could go into environmental, industrial, nuclear, aerospace, automotive, and there's a lot more. And some of the skills that you learn within the major include design in CAD, data analysis, and problem solving, which are all important skills to have. And now that I've explained why it allows for such a broad field of jobs, I can discuss why it matters. Mechanical engineers create solutions to today's biggest problems. According to a 2023 article from Supez, who has a master's in engineering, he surveyed students, professors, and industry professionals, finding that the soft skills that a mechanical engineering major possesses are some of the most desirable for a corporate person doing the interview, doing the hiring. And these are probably the most valuable things that you gain from the major. Some other skills that you gain from the major are critical thinking, logic, and budgeting. Budgeting would be, you have the option to build a bridge for $8 million that would last 10 years, or spend $20 million to build a bridge that would last 20 years. People will just choose to go for the cheaper per year cost of the bridge. And then another piece of evidence for why it's important is the DIY aspect of it. With all the mechanical engineering projects that I've done, I've learned how to work with wood and work with PVC pipe, which is just useful to have around the house. And today I've explained why mechanical engineering is the best major to pick due to the strong job security and pay, the variety of career paths, and the important skills developed from the major. it's the most beneficial major to pick. And when you pick a major, you pick roughly the career that you'll follow if you do decide to utilize your degree. And mechanical engineering allows for a lot of flexibility because you could go into nearly any field with it, and you're not stuck with just one super closed job field with it. And this is why I believe that mechanical engineering is the best college major to pick.
I'm not convinced.
Oh yeah.
Me either.
The camera's still going. You can't say that.